How to fix Chrome flickering on Windows. 1. Check your display cable and passive adapter. 2. Turn off automatically pick an accent color, Windows 10. 3. Make sure it's not web page issue, try a different browser. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Check if it's scroll flickering. To do so, set smooth scrolling to enabled or disabled at Chrome//flags. 6. Update Chrome. 7. Install all Windows updates. 8. Disable Chrome hardware acceleration. 9. Downgrade your Chrome version. 10. Modify your registry. Set 5 to overlay test mode dword at ht_local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /DWM in regedit.